Hi, my name is Nazar. I'm a professional drummer and teacher. Welcome to my Trinity Rock and Pop Grade 1 course. This is the first lesson, and we're starting with classic song Billie by Michael Jackson. It's one of the best songs to start learning pop groove. Simple, tight, and perfect for beginners. Let's break it down the main groove step by step. We have three instruments which we need to play together: hi-hat, snare drum, and kick. Hi-hat plays steady 8 notes. For example, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The kick drum you need to add on 1 and on 3. For example, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and separately you need to add with hi-hat together snare drum. Snare drum you need to add on 2 and on 4. For example, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then let's mix it up. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. No need to play so fast. You need to play slow. When you will be more confident with your slow tempo, you can speed up in a little bit. Just play over and over again this rhythm until you feel 100% confident. Let's start with the first fill. First fill, easy to play. You need to just count. For example, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's it. You need to play first of all so slow, and then when you get used to it with this feel and also with this rhythm, you can speed up in a little bit. We will start with slow tempo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and after this you need to connect this feel with the next measure, next bar. For example, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 4 and after, when you play it a lot of time, you can speed up in a little bit if you're confident. Next feel will be before chorus. Also slow. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Don't forget about 4 and. After and you need to connect with the other bar, like next one. Together with the next bar will be like that. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next fill is not so difficult. You need to just count. For example, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Again, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Next fill will be difficult to play, but I'll show you how to count. It's so easy. For example, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and just get used to it with this. 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and again with rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and together with the next measure. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. As like you notice, after when you transfer your right hand to right cymbal, the rhythm will change. You will play another rhythm. In outro, rhythm will change. You need to play one kick on 1 and then 2 kick on 3 and end. Also snare drum on 2 and on 4. For example, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And last fill of this song, I'll show you. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. As you noticed, I add one more kick on 1 and 1 and. That's it. Just count and play. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And connected with next measure. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The last pattern of this song, last two measures. You need to stop on 4 and say and. For example, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's it. Repeat it slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's it. Let's connect this rhythm together in 70 BPM. That's the end of the first lesson. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Bye.